To add a play button to your video GIF, simply visit the free online image editor, select Browse, select your GIF file, upload it, now once it's uploaded, click on Wizards and Overlay Image. Now click Browse and select your play button that you'd like to overlay. Then click Upload. Once it's uploaded, resize it to a size that you want, and then you can drag it over your video and center it up a little bit. And once you're happy with it, you can then apply it. And once it's applied, you now have your play button over the top of your video GIF, and simply then you can save to your computer. And that's it.